When we started the Masters over 10 years ago, we found that there was a gap in the way of teaching architecture that wasn't in line with the climate disasters that were occurring, the migration problems, the informality, all the inequalities that were going up in our built environment. So we decided to put together an idea of getting great professionals, great practitioners, and academics in order to cover topics like climate action design, environmental injustices, emergency architecture, which now is called humanitarian design because it goes from landscape to the detail of a shelter. So I think the Masters has this quality of bringing together both scales, the urban scale and the architectural scale, but also bringing in topics that are new to all the architects. That's why our faculty does not only include architects, it also includes social scientists, anthropologists. So we're starting to learn how to design, how to intervene, how to be respectful for the places that we work in order to be able to contribute and make a change. So it's very gratifying to see that they're still in touch, that they're doing amazing work, and it really makes us hopeful when we see that, we have such amazing students out there making a difference.